What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Cadillac Lyriq Smart Key Remote Fob. This Cadillac Lyriq key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my emergency key and push it straight in that notch. And as I do that, you can see it pops this back cover up. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and then peel back this rubber piece. And underneath that rubber piece, we see our battery right here. And you may be able to get this out with your fingers, but I find it a lot easier just to grab a small flathead screwdriver or something similar, just to help get under the edge of it. Pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. And I'm going to start this end in first that has this little plastic tab with that small plus sign right there. So start that edge in first like that, and then pop it down into place. Let that rubber piece go back. Then we'll put this back cover on, and this wider end we're going to start in first. You can see there's this little tab right here that my finger's on. I'm going to kind of slide that tab in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.